I went into the Digital Promise website where the frameworks are, and I clicked on Discover and Select. And from there, I went to the EdSurge Product Index because I was looking for new resources for my classroom. Here on this website, where the different resources are, I created a filter. I went through and I was really looking specifically for things for my classroom. And after I hit explore, I found many resources, but the one that I really think is cool is this one. It's called OctoStudio, and just like the poster shows you, the graphic shows you, you can add your own sounds, you can edit them, you can take your own pictures, you can make them move. There's so much you can do to this. And I noticed the coding blocks on the bottom, which I am always looking for more things for my students to do. And animation is just the way to go. So when I look at this next tab, after I went in there and I looked around, I found it has a great resource guide for people who may not understand how to do coding very much. It talks all about the different colors so you know what that means, what the speeds are. To be honest, I think this is such a user-friendly app. And when you look in the App Store, it is free. It's from the creators of Scratch at MIT. It says it's for ages 4 and up. I think it could be, but it's some of the wordage is a little bit harder for those kids. Today I'm going to show you the OctoStudio app. It's pretty cool. We're going to click on Create New Project, and from here I can choose a background. There's all sorts. You also can notice at the top that you can access your photos, or you could also take a picture yourself. I'm going to choose this background. From here, I can paint my own design, I can take a picture, I can access my photos, I can use any one of these emojis that are here. Now, I can decide what direction this is, so if I even want to change the color of it, I could. I can change to something different if I decide I don't even want that. Maybe I want a snail instead. So you can see that the watermark is here telling us what's going on. On the bottom there are different colors for movement and for looks and all of that. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to make it slow since the snail is slow, and I'm going to change the number to 25. And if I want to see to test this, I can just hit the play button, and now I can see how far it'll go. And when I hit the play button again, notice it'll go back. Okay. If I wanted to add another one, I can add where the plus is, and maybe I want to have this bunny. Now you can see the watermark changed. I'm going to make this bunny jump, but I'm going to take a different event, and instead of having the first one where I press the play button, I'm going to choose when touches. So when the snail touches the bunny, then the bunny's going to hop, and I'm going to make the bunny hop pretty fast. So I'm going to put the bunny, I'm going to stage this so that the snail is over here and the bunny is right there. And it will jump after the snail runs into it. So it's not quite enough. So let me go back to the snail. So you could be making changes to this as you're working, which is a great test for students. You know, if I wanted to do some more yet, I could go back right into it, and maybe I want to make it look like the bunny changes in size. So I could increase the size and the speeds show up. Now what's nice about this app is it's so user-friendly, and there is a resource guide that goes with it in case you're unsure of what things mean. So it's bouncing, and it's changing size by 50. Now I'm noticing it really isn't doing what I wanted it to do. So I wonder what we need to do. Maybe this isn't the right block. Maybe we need to do something like set size to 150. I like how interactive and user-friendly this is. I think it'd be very easy for quite a few kids. It's still not doing exactly what I was hoping, but there's more time for that later.